Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to delete the Facebook application from your phone. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or just want to free up some storage space, we've got you covered with this updated method. So, let's get started. First, grab your phone and locate the Settings app. This is where all the magic begins. Open it up and get ready to customize your app experience. Next, look for the option that says Apps or Applications. Depending on your device, it might differ slightly, but it's typically found within your settings. Now, take a little time to find and select Facebook from the list of installed applications. It should be listed alphabetically, making it easy to spot. Once you're on the Facebook app page, you'll see the option to Uninstall. Tap that, and don't forget to confirm your choice. Just like that, the Facebook application will be removed from your device. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted the Facebook app, giving yourself the freedom to explore other interests without the constant pings and notifications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy and informative guides. Thank you for watching, and happy scrolling.